Cleaning your glasses or your sunglasses can be pretty annoying, especially if you're dealing with those smudges or those streaks. So I wanted to go over the top 3 best methods to clean your glasses, but also go over the do's and the don'ts so you don't accidentally damage your glasses permanently. Let's focus in. Hey, howdy everybody, this is Dr. Neil Gaiman, Dr. EyeGuy, and I do videos all about the eyes, including how-to videos like this one. Now, the 3 best eyeglass cleaning methods we're going to talk about today, you're probably already doing a couple of them, if not all of them. Let's just make sure that you're doing them correctly. Method number 1, and like I said, you're probably already doing this, and that's to wipe the lenses clean with a microfiber cloth. Microfiber has tiny little strands that are designed to pick up small particles and remove oil very well, and it lessens the chance of scratching the lenses. Now that's a do. The don'ts: definitely do not use paper towels, washcloths. Don't use your shirt, pants, socks, ties. Even if they're soft, you'll be tempted to wipe your lenses clean with your shirt for convenience, but that's probably the most common scratches that we'll see. People tend to wipe their lenses with their shirt and they have debris and maybe small little particles on their shirt, and then they wipe it and scratch the lenses in there, even if they're micro scratches. The second method is to use approved lens cleaning spray. Sometimes it's tricky to get those smudges and streaks with the microfiber cloth by itself, so if you use the spray, spraying the front and the back side and then cleaning with the microfiber cloth, it can definitely clean them a lot better. The big don't here is don't use non-approved spray. And how you find out is you want to look at the back. You want to make sure that it says alcohol-free and approved for AR coating or anti-reflective coating. If there's alcohol in there or it's not approved for AR coating, then it could actually damage your lenses. It could damage the coating on the lenses. The third method is probably one that you've heard about but maybe aren't doing, but it's probably one of the best way to clean your glasses, and that's to use regular Dawn dish soap. Now let me walk you through step by step on how to do this. Now you're going to find this method everywhere you look because it works so well. A big don't here is do not use other dish soaps that are scented or have lotions in there. Just stick with the regular, good old-fashioned Dawn dark blue dish soap. First things first, if your hands are nasty and grimy and dirty, you definitely want to wash your hands. You will be using your fingers to kind of rub the soap onto the lenses, and you don't want to damage the lenses with your own hands. Now for this, you want to make sure that you use lukewarm water. You don't want to be using hot, scalding hot water because it can actually damage the frames or your lenses. I actually like to rinse the glasses off first just to make sure if there is any debris on there, it'll get washed off. Now you're going to take your Dawn dish soap and put a small little dollop on the front and back surface of the lenses. And then very gently rub and lather the soap onto the lenses. And don't be afraid to actually clean your frames too. And a big one is to clean the nose pads on your frames. The nose pads tend to carry a lot of bacteria, nasty gunk, so make sure that you clean that as well. Now you're going to rinse the soap off front and back, off the frames and the nose pads. Make sure that you just get all the soap off. Now you can turn the water off and gently just shake the excess water off into the sink. And then you're going to wipe clean with a dry microfiber cloth. A lot of times you'll get a lot of gunk and grime in the screws and the hinges of the glasses and can be pretty tricky to clean. Now you can actually buy ultrasonic bath cleaners where you can actually put your frames in this bath and it'll use ultrasonic waves to clean and get rid of that debris that's in the tough to reach spots. Now you want to be careful. If you look at Amazon and look at the reviews on some of these products, people say that they actually scratch their glasses using some of these products, so you just want to be careful there. If it's that bad, I would just say take it into your local eye care doctor. They'll more than likely have an ultrasonic cleaner that can actually take your lenses out, take your screws out, and actually can do a deep cleanse on your frames and your glasses. And make sure that you check out the description below. I'll put a lot of links to different products that I recommend that can help you clean your glasses the best way. Now I have heard a lot of interesting ways people have used to clean their glasses. If you have any of those interesting ways that actually worked, definitely leave it in the comments below. I'm definitely curious to hear what worked for you. Hey, and I'm Dr. Neil Gaiman, Dr. EyeGuy, focusing on you and your eyes. Make sure that you check out my other videos right there, and I'll see you in the next video.